Welcome back to our channel. The future of floor care with the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, the all-in-one smart cleaning powerhouse that vacuums and mops in one seamless run. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, dusty corners, or sticky kitchen floors, this robot is designed to tackle it all with precision and power. With advanced navigation, powerful suction, and simultaneous mopping, it gives your home a deep clean even while you're out living your life. Let's dive in and see why this dual-action Shark is making waves in the smart cleaning world. Up to a month of hands-free cleaning and maintenance, the robot automatically empties debris into the 60-day capacity bin, automatically refills its own water tank for up to 30 days, and washes and dries the mopping pad after every clean. 5 intelligent power detect cleaning technologies. 5 powerful cleaning technologies help to target hidden debris, stuck-on stains, edges, and to optimize cleaning for every floor type, handling the toughest cleaning challenges. Up to 2x better cleaning coverage. With Never Stuck technology, the robot lifts itself over obstacles and across thresholds. When mopping, it keeps the pad above carpets to prevent wet messes and deliver whole home coverage. Cleans hidden dirt and stuck-on stains. Dirt Detect identifies areas with more debris than boosts vacuuming performance. Use Stain Detect to target areas with more stains, and the robot will boost mopping performance by taking multiple cleaning passes. Advanced Edge Cleaning. No cleaning details missed when vacuuming. Edge Detect blasts air to push debris from edges into the robot's cleaning path. Create custom cleaning schedules, select rooms or zones, and even adjust cleaning intensity all from your phone. While mopping, it extends the pad up to an inch for edge-to-edge mop cleaning. Hands-free control. Set a cleaning schedule, initiate on-demand cleaning, or activate cleans all with sound of your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Up to 120 minutes of runtime for whole home cleaning. And with Recharge and Resume, the robot will return to the dock, recharge, and can pick up where it left off. And there you have it, the Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. It's powerful, efficient, and designed to keep your floor spotless without any daily effort from you. From hardwood to carpet, from crumbs to spills, it handles it all. So, if you're ready to upgrade your home with smart, dual-action cleaning, the Shark Combo could be your perfect match. Clean smarter, not harder. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.